Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we have engineer Wang to give a complete demonstration on how to install and upgrade the software for the EPS CNC cutting machine. The video is divided into two main parts. 1. Software installation. 2. Software upgrade. Steps to install the software. 1. Prepare the installation software, encryption dongle, and connection cables for the control card. 2. Find the software file and proceed with the installation. Three, open the control panel's network center on your computer, change the configuration, right-click and open Properties, double-click version 4, select Use the following IP address, enter 192.168.1.10. The corresponding subnet code will automatically appear. Click OK. 4. Connect the network cable. Steps to upgrade the software. 1. Open My Computer, local disk, and find the upgrade package. 2. Click Open File, select A encryption dongle. 3. Then click Connect, and finally click Start Upgrade. The software will start upgrading. 4. After the upgrade is completed, exit the upgrade package. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.